Austin's course is just so simple. It's like, it's easy to just see the entries. It's easy to see kind of like where you should exit. So there's not so much thinking. It's just all about execution.
It's definitely increased my profits a lot. I take less trades, but bigger. I'm way more patient with my trades, and it's been really good.
You see change of day, right? Jab, but doesn't break. The liquid 50 is rising, getting into the buy zone. So with the break of the 50 EMA, what's that look like?
Fantastic. So much value in it that can't be found anywhere else, unlike other courses where the majority of it you can find on YouTube.
Networking, you see like-minded people, community, which is so big, especially when you're first joining and getting to something like Forex.
I don't know how it works. I don't want these days to be over, to be honest, but it is really good, really detailed, more psychology than just jumping into trades like crazy.
Who else can identify something within themselves? What's something that you think might be getting in your way of change?
What I admire most about Austin is he's real. He's just real. You don't see that a lot in this business. Forex has a lot of dishonest people in it.
The learning has been ridiculous. I've been learning almost every day that I'm with this group. I came here and I thought, oh, I'd get a refresher on everything, and this is literally new stuff. I'm going home with new information to tackle on the market, so really excited about that. Everything I learned today.
It's right here. Boom, stop at the high, and this thing just moves way away from you. As soon as you hit that entry, get on the 15-minute and watch. It gets outside the 8, outside the 21, and holds. With it, more. GCAD.
It's honestly given me a new perspective that makes me feel like I'm having a new start, a better start with my new analysis into the market, a new perspective into every aspect that I'm looking in.
So I've got trend, I've got space, and I've got volume. What else do you need? Nothing. That qualifies good trade setups.
I don't even know how to say that. It's so much better with him involved, and it's crazy. It's hard to explain.
Last question. Every new trader should
join ASFX. What else would they be doing? Join ASFX.